Hi guys, today we are going to be practicing our B's and our D's for handwriting. So we are going to have a little bit of a look at the difference and how we form them properly. Okay, so we are going to start off by looking for our solid line. So I am going to draw my cat like I normally would here. So we have got the cat's tail, his body, and his whiskers and his little moustache here. So we are going, this one is a tall letter. So we are going to start with our uppercase B. We start from the second dotted line and go down, pencil off, then we will go around and around. So the middle of the B should be crossing into that other middle double third there. So our B's, remember to have a nice even space between each of your B's as well. One nice line of those for me, please. Okay, for our lowercase b, remember that is going to be down. We don't need to take our pencil off. We go back around and stop right there. So down, around and stop. So you want to start doing your curve not right up at the line, just a little bit below the line. So down, back up the same line and around. Down and around. So nice and easy. Whoops. And whoops. So that's probably not my favourite because that one's not quite on the line. I think this one here is probably the best one that I've done. Okay, for our uppercase D, we're going to start at the top and we'll go down, pencil off the paper, and then almost like a semicircle. Remember our D, we're not going to do really big, massive ones, and they're not going to be too skinny. They need to be just like a semicircle like that. Straight line and then a half circle almost. For our lowercase d, we're going to start almost like we would with a C. We're always starting about that point there. Same as if we started and we did our A, we're also starting here. So when we're doing our D, we're going to go around, pencil up and then down. So we don't need to take our pencil off. Going around like a letter C, up and down. So the middle bit is going to be the body and the top goes all the way up to that second dotted third, up and down. So nice round circle, up and down. I don't want to see any starting from the top like that. Not starting from the top for this one. We are starting always from this part here. Okay, so I would like you today to do one line for me of uppercase B's. Whoops. One line of lowercase b's, one line of uppercase d's, and then lastly a line of lowercase d's as well. Our sentence for today, if you want to have a go, is Brenda, the bird ate bread in bed. And a nice full stop at the bottom. Remember, it's nicely down on the line there. We do want to check that we have our capital uppercase B at the start here. Brenda, the bird, ate bread in bed. Make sure that we have got a nice space between each of our words and that all of our words are sitting beautifully on the line. All of our lowercase are going up to our first dotted third here, and all of our tall letters are up to the line above.